Hello everybody. Today let me recommend our OpenClaw, how it works and how it helps our job by the automated workflow. Right now, we make a demo. This is the English version OpenClaw, and here there is a slogan here: to 4 hours of daily repetition into a 9-minute job. And here it shows how many times we have run it and the hours saved for our teams by OpenCode. The average speed up almost 10 times. Yeah, and this is the real sceneries. We mainly showcase 3 sceneries here, and here is a console demo. Okay, I will show you later. This is how to use OpenCode. First, describe your task. Secondly, OpenClaw orchestrates it will breaks all your tasks into steps, pick up the right tools, wise up the data resources, and dash, and then transparent, and then transmit all your task into the answers for you. And this is an attach and trigger. And this is our demo. And let me show you the sceneries. This is scenery 1. I just show you the demo. Okay, cross-platform synchronization. I just started. You can see, the auto process. The OpenClaw runs this way. Second, the wiki report shows here start. You can see and runs this way. So all work is done. Here is the DAG orchestration. All right, stop. Yeah. So you can see, this work is done. This is the automation. This is the OpenClaw's workflow for our users. So this is English version, Chinese version. OpenClaw. So this demo shows the auto workflow, how the OpenClaw works. And if you come to our office, we are very glad to show you face to face here. All right, thank you.